Anna Bruno. Welcome to my channel. I am here to talk about how to make money online. In this day and age with ChatGPT taking everybody's jobs away, what are we going to do? But I have some plans for you guys. So let's think of ways how we can supplement our income with additional opportunities. So one of the best ways is to make money online. And the first thing that would come to my mind is to offer freelance work to masses based on your skill sets. There are two very important sites that I want you to be aware of. One is called Fiverr and the other one is Upwork. If you're not familiar with them yet, please go and Google them, fiverr.com or upwork.com. And those are the sites where you can actually create your profile and start offering variety of skills that you're actually good at. And it could be anything from offering how to do translations or bookkeeping or graphic design, web design, anything and everything that you are good at, painting, voiceovers, dog walking, you name it. Anything that you can offer as a freelancer, you can post it on those websites and start getting additional income by doing additional work. So that would be really something to consider. The other really big important way you can start making additional income is by tutoring, which is similar to what I just said about Fiverr and Upwork, but this time you're working with individuals or families and tutoring their, for example, children or adults in various subject matters. So if you're good at math or chemistry or science, or you know how to play an instrument, these are golden opportunities for you to start making some income. And in some cases, you can make as much as $100 an hour teaching another human being a skill set that may be difficult for them, but it comes easy for you. So tutoring is something you should consider. There are different ways to do tutoring. You can do in-person tutoring, you can do online tutoring, you can do combination, you can do one-on-one or group tutoring. There's many ways to sort of skin the cow. So, but you get my point. And of course, if you have questions, obviously you can always get in touch with me and I'm happy to have a one-on-one conversation with you as well. So let's see what else we can do in terms of how to make more money online. Did you know that you can make surveys and you can take surveys for money? That's something you can do to earn additional income. You can also do translations. You can even work with Amazon and help them with their variety of different online digital content that needs to be tagged and organized and filtered and edited and so on. So Amazon is a huge hub for people who are trying to get additional income and making income online. And the other way that Amazon is really great, and that's another way that you can make money off of Amazon, is by self-publishing for Amazon, self-publishing books on Amazon. If you're a blogger, you can make money from blogging by joining an affiliate network. So by other people coming in and clicking through your blog and going to buy something, you get paid for that as well. A lot of bloggers make a lot of money doing this. I have another really good one for you. I am sure you've heard of Etsy, right? So, do you like to paint? Do you like to create things? Are you good at woodworking or jewelry making or embroidery or creating crafts? These are all the things that you can make and sell them on Etsy and many other websites. And it's yet another way to make additional income online. And one of my favorite ways to make money online is by using Airbnb. Even if you don't think you have an extra house that you can rent, you can certainly rent some of your space. Do you have an extra bedroom, extra garage space? You can rent it. Believe it or not, a lot of people, prefer to stay at a home rather than going to a hotel room. And the economy and the way things are set up right now, it is very easy and simple to take pictures of your space and put it on Airbnb, and there's lots of help there. Even specialists, Airbnb specialists can help you. So it's a very cool way of making some additional income online.